Alam niyo ba mga kapatid, most of us think that when we decided to follow Jesus, ang buhay ay masaya na. But remember, Jesus doesn't promise us na maging madali ang lahat. In fact, Jesus warned us in the book of Luke 26 says that if anyone comes to me and does not hate his father, his mother, his wife, his children, his brothers and sisters, and yes, even his own life, he cannot be my disciples. It's very hard saying mga kapatid, para bang ang hirap sundin. Pero hindi ibig sabihin nito, literally, we hate our parents. Hindi na natin mahal yung loved ones natin. But what Jesus means is, Jesus must become first. God must be the first of our life. Dahil mahalaga ang obedience kay Jesus kaysa approval ng tao, even family. Of course, to love your parents and to your loved ones is one of the highest command, but it is not higher than to obey God, is not even greater than to follow Jesus. Kaya don't be surprised mga kapatid na kung minsan ang sarili mong pamilya mismo ang hindi makakaintindi sa'yo. And do not be shocked na mawalan ka ng mga kaibigan, lalaitin ka, pagtatawanan ka, uusigin ka dahil sa pananampalataya mo. Why? Because even Jesus said, in the book of John 13:16 says that no servant is greater than his master. Kung si Jesus ay nakaranas ng pag-uusig, rejection, siya ay pinako sa krus, mga kapatid, posible na mangyari rin sa atin yung rejection. Mararanasan rin natin yung uusigin tayo. Sabi ng mga prosperous gospel, Jesus already finished on the cross, kaya no need to worry about life na. But that's not the reality in life as being a followers of Christ. But sometimes we ask, Lord, bakit parang mas nagiging mahirap pa yung buhay ko nung sumunod ako sa'yo? Remember, following Christ was never about comfort. It was about commitment. Obedience to God is a commandment, pero minsan, iniisip natin na, Lord, pwede bang sundin kita pero huwag mo na dito? Pwede bang ikaw pero huwag mong gagalawin yung relasyon ko? Pwede bang ikaw pero ayaw kong ma-reject? But Jesus is clear that if He is not the first, then He is not your Lord. Hindi masamang magmahal ng pamilya. Hindi masama magkaroon ng kaibigan, pero masama kung mas mamahalin natin sila kaysa Kanya. But here is a good news mga kapatid. Whatever you lose for Christ, He will never fail to replace with something eternal. Kung iiwanan ka ng tao, hindi ka iiwanan ng Diyos. Kung tinatanggihan ka ng mundo, tinatanggap ka naman ng langit. Jesus said, whoever lose his life for my sake will find it. Kahit akala ng mundo mga kapatid, you are failure. Pero mga kapatid, in God's eyes, you are victorious. You are not a victim. So mga kapatid, stay firm, stay faithful. Choose Christ even if when it's hurt, even if it costs. Because at the end of the day, you will realize na mas mabuti pang tinanggihan mo nga ang mundo kaysa ikaw yung tatanggihan ng Diyos. Just always remember, Jesus loves you and I love you too.